Okay, so can you please tell me about yourself?
Yeah, sure, sir. I'm Supriya Patil, currently working with Capita Private Limited as a software tester. I joined Capita as a fresher. I have 2.4 years of experience in software testing. I completed graduation in electronics and telecommunication from D.R. Patil Technical Campus, Sandhi, Kolhapur. Yes, sir. That's it.
Okay, okay, okay. So which software technology is basically used for your automation?
I use programming language as a Java and tool IntelliJ IDE. So I use the Selenium web drivers and use framework as test engine and page object model with the data-driven testing.
Okay, okay, great. Okay. So have you ever been part of the automation framework development, Supriya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So can you please explain me about your automation framework?
Yes, the mainly the automation framework I worked on with the help of the page object model and also used data-driven testing framework. In data-driven testing framework, the main file is divided into two parts. This is the SRC main or SRC test. In test, we return the test cases, actual test cases using the at the rate test on schedule before and at the rate after annotations. And in SRC main, created different pages for each web page, different web page right return, and also we created one driver utility class. Here we mentioned all the common methods, and also we the password URLs are mentioned in one file, that is config.properties file.
Mm-hmm. And where you are putting your test data?
In a Excel file, sir.
Okay, okay, great. Okay, okay, great. Okay, let me jump on the main thing. So let me focus on the Java first, and then gradually we are going move ahead by the one by one topic. Okay. All right. So, can you please tell me about the difference between abstract class and interface in Java?
Yes, sir. Abstract class is abstract class. For abstract class we use the abstract keyword. When we use the abstract keyword, it is abstract class, and for interface you use the interface keyword. In abstract class is made up of abstract or non-abstract methods, and in interface only as abstract methods. In abstract class we can achieve 0 to 100% abstraction. Means suppose it varies because it consists of abstract and non-abstract methods. Because of that it varies from 0 to 100% abstraction. And using in interface we can achieve 100% abstraction using abstract class. We cannot achieve the multiple inheritance, but in interface we can achieve multiple inheritance using interface.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. Okay. So, is there any default method available in interface? What are the Java 8 feature we have?
Static
No.
methods and
Mhm.
constructs added in interface.
Okay, 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 right, right. Okay, okay, great. Okay. All right. So, is any constructor available in abstract class and interface?
Yes, it's available in abstract class.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So can we create an object of the abstract class and interface?
No, we cannot create object of abstract class.
Okay, if we cannot able to create an object of the abstract class, then how we are going to access the methods of the abstract class? Because abstract class contain the concrete method as well, right?
Sorry, can you please repeat, sir? I'm
Yeah.
not getting.
So how we can able to create, how we can able to access the method which is available in abstract class? Because abstract class can contain the concrete method as well, right? Static method, final method, non-static method. So how we are
Uh,
going to access those methods?
by extending or
Mhm.
by extended
Okay,
extended class.
okay, okay, great, okay, okay, great, okay. So what is meant by the typecasting in Java?
Typecasting means a conversion of data type up or down.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose, yeah, there are two methods: upcasting and downcasting. In upcasting, suppose we want to access the parent class methods. That time suppose parent p is equal to, we create a parent p is equal to new child. Using that we get access.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Great. So, what are the type of the typecasting in Java?
Typecast, upcasting and downcasting.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Correct. Okay. All right. Let me move ahead. Okay. Can you please tell me about the super keyword in Java?
Yes, super keyword we use when we want to refer, or we want to achieve the parent instance variable of parent class. Then we use a
Mm-hmm.
super keyword. Also, we use if you want to invoke the parent class method.
Mm-hmm.
That time we also use the super keyword. And for the construct, we want if we want to invoke the parent class constructor. That time we also use super keyword.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Great. Okay. All right. So, can you please quickly share your screen, Supriya? I have a one problem statement for you.
So is it visible?
Yes. Yes. Okay. It is visible. Can you please open any notepad? That one is also fine for me.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can see
Hmm.
this is the program statement I shared with you in meeting chat. You can check. Okay. So my yeah, you can copy this both the string, both the statement. You can copy it. Yeah. And can you please paste it on the notepad? Yeah. So my suppose my input is string name. My string is Supriya. So I want you have to write down the program for reverse the string. So I want the output like this. So can you please quickly write down the program for it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yes, sir. Done. Hello, sir.
Yeah. Okay, great. Okay. So can you please open that program? Can you please explain me this program?
Yes, we started. We used a for loop for this for reverse string. We started with the I is equal to name dot length minus one.
Mm-hmm.
Just a minute, sir. So bracket is missing. Sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So it starts with the length. Suppose we have a length of the string, it starts with a zero. So
Mm-hmm.
zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So the it start with the A. Then it's minus minus. We added. Then
Mm-hmm.
firstly, a print char 80 function is used to print a single character. Firstly,
Mm-hmm.
print A, then it goes, then it'll check value if I is greater. Then in it come if you'll check I is greater than 0 or not. If I is greater than 0, so you'll again go to the decrement the, so then again put its y. Same processor follow with the if up to
Mm-hmm.
s.
Okay, great. Okay, all right. Okay, so can you please tell me what is meant by the string class in Java?
String class is a sequence of character. String is an object that represents a sequence of character, and string is a immutable class. Sorry, string is immutable class. Means we can't edit or add something in that string.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
And we can create string by using two methods. First one is a string literal, and another one is a new keyword. Using string literal, that is formatting is string is the string, whatever string we want to add, and in string literal, it checks the string. JVM will check the string constant pool. If the same string is not present, then it will create another object or another string. And if same string is present in the string constant pool, then it will refer to the same, will
mm-hmm,
point to the same. And another method is a string by new keyword. In we This is a string s is equal to new string, whatever string we want to add, and
mm-hmm,
in a new keyword, it will store in the heap memory, and it always create a new object. Suppose we have a same string with the name Supriya, but we want to add again same string with name Supriya, but we want to add in a new keyword, then it will create another object by
mm-hmm,
string
mm-hmm,
by new keyword.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, so I have another problem statement for you. Let me quickly ping to you. Uh, okay, just a minute. Okay, I just sent you. Can you please copy this code and just paste it on your notepad?
Sure.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Um, yeah. Suppose we have this two string. So can you
Yeah.
please tell me what is the difference? First of all, can you please tell me what is the difference between string one and string two? Hold on, hold on, hold. Yeah, yeah. Can you please go ahead? What is the meaning of this two string?
Yeah, both the strings are created with the help of the string literal, string S1 and string S2. If we create both the strings are referred to the single object if we creating by the string literal. And first in system or println system.
Mm-hmm. And what output you will get over here?
uh, First we got a true because compared to compare the content of the string, and second one is a we will output Supriya and Supriya because concat means it's add the Supriya like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. All right.
Sorry,
Uh,
for first one compared to it gives a result as a zero. So my mistake
mhm.
actually, I got a
Okay.
little bit confused.
Mm,
If we have a same, then it will give the zero, and
mhm.
if if any string have a it give plus, yeah, right. It first one is a zero, and second one is Supriya and Supriya. Get.
Okay. Okay. So I have another problem statement for you. Suppose we have this string. Okay. We have this two string. Can you please tell me what output you will get over here? Suppose if I'm going to print the statement like this, can you please tell me what output you will get over here? Can you please copy this code and paste it in a.
Yes.
Mhm. Can you please tell me the difference between first of all this two string and what output? Okay, just a minute. I missed that part. Instead of that part, you just need to what you have to. Okay, fine. This is also, but okay. Just a minute. I'm sorry. I'm just amending my question here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me. There is a problem. S2 is equal to S3. and s2 dot equals, okay, dot equals s3. Okay, these are the two statements we have. Please check in the meeting chat. Yeah,
These
this,
last two.
yeah, last two. Can you please replace this last two statement with our previous statement? Yes. Now, can you please explain me about first two string? Okay, and what output you will get over here?
So S1 2 is a S2, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Mm. The string S2 is created with the help of string literal, and string S3 is created with the help of new keyword.
Mm-hmm. But where
And
it is stored? Where it is stored in a memory?
S2 is stored in a string constant pool, and S3 is stored in a heap memory.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
the second another string S2 equals to S3. It compare the address of the both string, so it gives a false result.
Mm-hmm.
And last the system dot S2 equals S3. It will compare the content of the string. The both the strings contain the same, so it
Mm-hmm.
will give a true result.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right. So I have another problem statement for you, Supriya. So let me send you in a meeting chat. So can you please copy this statement and paste it in a notepad? So suppose, yeah, just copy it and just press it. Yeah. Can you please tell me what output you will get over here?
We
Uh,
can use only one try statement.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay.
Here are multiple try we used.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay.
We,
Okay. So we cannot able to use the multiple try block.
right,
Okay.
we can use only one try with multiple cache block. uh,
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Single file.
Okay. Great. Let me quickly search you the another statement. Okay. I'm again sending you the program in a meeting chat. So can you please tell me, can you please copy this program and just paste it in notepad, and can you please tell me what output you will get over here?
It will give a compilation error
Mm-hmm. Why?
because in a catch block we cannot define exception any parent class in a top. That's why
Mm-hmm.
it give a compilation error. We can declare at the end, but we can
Mm-hmm.
declare at the top
Mm-hmm.
the
Good.
parent class as exception. Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Good. Good. Okay. Can you please tell me what is the difference between exception and error classes?
Exception is nothing but unwanted or unexpected conditions that is comes during the at the execution of the program. But we and error is the we cannot handle the error, but it cannot handle error. We can handle the exception by using try and catch block. Also, you can use a finally block as well, but we cannot handle the errors. For
Mm-hmm.
example, the exceptions are arithmetic exception, uh,
Mm-hmm.
array index out of bound exception, and errors are
Mm-hmm.
the memory leak, Java virtual machine as out of memory. That are error types or error. That's example of error.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. Can you please tell me what is meant by the checked exception and unchecked exception?
Yes, checked exception and unchecked are both the types of exceptions. Checked exception means it is checked at the compile time. A compiler checked exception that is called checked exception. Unchecked exception and that is opposite to checked exception. Compiler don't check or at the compile time. That's why it's called the unchecked exception.
Okay. Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. Okay. Let me move ahead. What is meant by the wrapper classes in Java?
Wrapper class is a class that converts primitive data type to the corresponding object. Suppose we have a primitive data type is integer, so it convert the corresponding wrapper class to integer. Suppose we have boolean to boolean and char to character, like that.
Mhm.
There are two concepts in wrapper class. One is autoboxing and unboxing. Autoboxing is automatic conversion of the primitive data type to the corresponding classes. It's called autoboxing, and unboxing is a reverse process. It will convert the object it, object of wrapper class to the corresponding primitive data type.
Mm-hmm.
Means integer to int or character to the char. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Good. Okay. What is the difference between list and set in Java?
Yeah, list and set. List can allow the list can preserve the insertion order, but set cannot preserve the insertion order. In list we can add duplicates, but in set we cannot add duplicates. In list we can add we can add null values, or it accepts the null insertion, but in a
Mhm.
set it allows only one null insertion. And methods, or we can say the classes of list interface, are the array list, linked list, stack, and vector. And for
Mhm.
the set, it is tset, hash set. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay, great. Okay. Okay. So can you please tell me the difference between? Let me quickly jump on the Selenium. Can you please tell me the difference between find element and find elements method?
Yeah, find both the methods are used to find the locators or elements on the web pages. Find element is method used to find a single element, and find elements method used to find multiple elements. In find element, suppose we put a wrong locator or not able to find the element is not found in the web page. That time it gives a no such element exception. But if for a same process, if we follow in a find elements, then it gives a empty list. And the return type of the find element is a web element, and for find elements is a list.
Mm-hmm. And if any web element is not found in both the cases, then what will happen?
For a find element, no such element exception we got. But for a find
Mm-hmm.
elements, the empty list.
Mm-hmm. Empty list. Okay. Okay. So what kind of locators we have in a Selenium?
There are eight type of locators in the Selenium. First one by ID. By using ID, we can locate the. Second one is a by name. By using name, we can locate the element or
Mm-hmm.
element. Yeah, by ID, by name. Third one is by class name. Fourth one is a links text.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth one is a by partial link text. Sixth one is
Mm-hmm.
a tag name.
Mm-hmm.
17 is a CSS selector, but in CSS selector again two types, uh, by class and by ID. For class, I
Mm-hmm.
think we use a hash. Uh, for ID we use a hash, and for class we use a dot.
Mm-hmm.
And last one is the XPath, and
Mm-hmm.
there are multiple methods for it to find XPath.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great. Okay, so which one is most like mainly recommendable? Which locator widely we have to use?
Mostly we recommended to use a XPath.
Mm-hmm. Why?
Because for few complex, sometimes we are not able to find by using another locators. That is,
Mm-hmm.
we use XPath.
Okay. Yeah. Can you please open the one of the website? Can you please open the Google Chrome browser? Yeah. Okay. And can you please search any text over here on the Google text? Just search over here. Like what we can say. Uh, okay. Best e-commerce website. Just search over here text.
commerce website, right?
Based e-commerce based,
Best, right?
yes, based e-commerce website. That's it. Okay. Now you can see you will get a list of website over here. You can see best e-commerce website platform. This is a one link we have. And if you're scrolling down over here, move visit e-commerce website we have. Then if you are scrolling down over here, you can see these many website we have. So if you want to find out this all website, like you want to find out this all website, can you please tell me orally how you can able to apply the logic over there?
You need to find all these websites, right?
Not all, only this base common platform. Then if you scroll down over here, yeah, scroll down. Yeah, most visited e-commerce and shopping website. Then if you scroll down here, go scroll down, you can see this 25. This is a link we have to, these only main link we have to find out. So can you please tell me how we can, what kind of logic we can use here? You can tell me orally as well. That is not a big deal.
We can check if any common
Mm-hmm.
methods or common, then we
Mm-hmm.
can find.
Okay. What else? Any other thought in your mind?
By following method, but no, that is not all.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But I'm not
Okay.
getting the exact
No
proper
problem.
question. What you
No problem. No problem. Okay. Can you please open the Amazon.in website? Besides that, can you please go inside this Amazon.in? Mm-hmm. Okay. And once this is done, now what we have to do, I want to find out, suppose just what we can say, I want to find out this mobile element. Whatever mobile element you can see here, that mobile text. Are you able to see the mobile options?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you please write down the expert for me? You have to write down the expert for it.
Yes, yes, sir.
Mhm. It is not locating, right?
Yeah, not locating.
Okay, no problem. Don't worry. You just need to write down that mobile text in a single quote. It is
Yeah.
locating, right? But the
Yes.
problem over here is one of two matches we have, right? One of two matches we have. I want to find out the only single unit. I want to find out the only single element here. How we can able to find out? Are you sure we need to use the access over here? Is it mandatory to use access over here?
No, not mandatory. Then we can try it with the other like class and all things.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay. All right. No problem. Okay. Okay. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me the difference between get window handle and get window handles method?
Yes, get window handle and get window handles. Both methods are used to handle the window. Get window handle method.
Mm-hmm,
Yes, get window handle method used to handle the current window, and get window handles method are used to handle the all the windows opened. And get window handle return the single ID, and get window handle return the multiple IDs of current open windows. And
mm-hmm.
the return type of get window handle is a string, and the return type of get window handles is a set.
Okay. How we can able to handle the iframe in a Selenium WebDriver?
We can handle iframe by using there are three methods. We can use a first one is a by index driver dot switch to frame by index. Second one is a by name or by ID, and third one is by using web element.
Mm-hmm, 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 mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Great. Can you please can you please tell me about the how to take a screenshot in a Selenium WebDriver?
For take screenshot, use a take a screenshot interface.
Mm-hmm. Okay. 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 Great. Okay. Let me jump on the Maven basically. So where we can able to store our dependencies, like once we added a dependency, where we are adding the dependencies in a Maven,
We added dependency in pom.xml file. Add
and
dependency.
once you added a dependencies in a pom.xml file, where it is going to stored locally.
It is locally stored in the local repository .yum2 folders.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Good. Okay. All right. So can you please tell me uh, about the hierarchy of the test ng annotations?
Yeah, test and annotation. There are start with before and after. First one is a before suit, then before test, before class, before method, then at the rate test, after method, at the rate after method, uh, after class, after test, and after suit.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Great. All right. So can you please tell me the difference between depends on method and depends on group parameters?
Yeah, depends on method and depends on groups.
Mm.
Depends on method. Suppose we in one method is depending on another method. Suppose we have three methods in my class, and one is failing, and my another method is depending on that method. It will ignore the method. Depending on the methods we use for depend method, and depends on groups. Suppose we have multiple classes in my package, and I want to interrelated suppose on groups, then I can use a group stack for particular Suppose I have three classes. In three classes, particularly in three classes, there are three test cases. So first class is when declare we groups for suppose it is regression testing. So I added groups equal to regression testing. In second class we add for second test cases to regression testing, and for third we add, and to run the depends on group we can use a test.xml file. Below the suit tag I add a groups tag, and in groups we add a run tag. In the run tag we include the uh, name as a regression testing or sign testing, whatever I add as a group, and then it can run from test.xml file for
Mhm.
depends on group.
Okay, great. Okay. All right. So yeah, yeah. Can you please tell me about how we can able to run the parallel execution, parallel testing we can able to perform in a test engine?
For parallel execution means we can, it's a testing technique. We can execute the test cases parallelly in different threads, or we use a test.xml file in Sutag. We can add the parallel is equal to true or a method. We can, any one of we can use parallel is equal to true or parallel is equal to method, and we need to add a thread count.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Great. Okay. So can you please tell me how many listeners basically used in your automation framework? Did you
For
are you
list,
know about the did you know about the listeners?
yes, yeah,
What
I
is
know.
the listeners?
Listener, firstly, I used to the for reporting. I activate the listeners by the edit settings from the my project. I check the checkbox for the listener, and
Mm-hmm.
by using activating the listener, it is used for reports. We can to the HTML reports also. We can you can set the email report, or I can email to the any other person, and also we use the listeners for the to run or to the retry the failed test cases.
Mm-hmm.
That we use a retry analyzer listener to retry the test cases.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. So, can you please tell me, Supriya? So, do you have any experience in API testing, API
Yes,
manual testing, automation testing?
yes,
Do you have experience in API automation testing as well?
yeah, right.
Okay. So, which framework you use for your API automation?
Sorry. API manual testing.
Okay, you are aware about the API manual testing. Okay.
Yeah.
So, can you please tell me what is the difference between put and post request?
Um, Put is used for to update, and post is used for to create. If I want to add new something, want to add or create new data, that time I use a post. And if I want to, I have existing records for existing data. I just want to update some details on that record. So that time I use a we can use a post, yeah, put record,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, put,
Okay.
and for creation post, yeah.
Okay. So, can you please tell me what is the meaning of the status code 201?
Status code tools in one is a success or created. Suppose we add something, or we can
Created or
use
created or
created,
suc- created?
created,
Okay.
created.
And what
Yeah,
and what is the status code of success?
success.
Did you remember? Did you heard about the 200?
Yes, 200. Yeah, 200.
Okay. No problem.
When we go get a data,
Uh-huh.
we use a get request. That time we got a 200.
Perfect. Okay. So, can you please tell me, suppose if we are deleting our data from the server, so which status code we will get?
Mm, I think for deleting, can get 204. No
Mm-hmm.
content found.
Okay.
I
Okay. Good.
delete something after run the delete request, and we got the 204
Mm-hmm.
no content.
Okay, great. Okay, can you please tell me, Supriya, what is the meaning of the 503 status code?
503. I think this. server unavailable, like that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, great. All right, let me quickly jump on the version controlling system. Which version controlling systems have you used?
I use Git as a version control system. Hello.
Okay, okay. Are you using Git, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. All right. So, can you please tell me how we can able to create a new branch from the main branch?
From when main branch to new branch, if you want to check out to the say or create and check out to the new branch from a main branch, that time we use a new branch minus b. Sorry, branch checkout minus b or name of the branch.
Okay. 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 Good. Okay. So, are you ever being part of the CI/CD pipeline?
Yes, but that not much.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. That is fine. No worry. No issue. No issue. So, you are working in an agile model as well, right, Supriya?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is the sprint durations you are having?
For my current project, it have a 3 weeks of sprint.
3 weeks of sprint. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, are you aware about the agile ceremonies in sprint? Can you please tell me what are the
Yes.
agile ceremonies we have?
The refinement, daily stand-up, sprint planning,
Mm-hmm. And what else?
daily stand-up, sprint planning, refinement, retrospective,
Mm-hmm.
and so not able to read.
Okay. No
But
worry.
daily stand-up is it get a bit every day. What are
Okay.
the done yesterday? What are the plan for today?
Mm-hmm.
If any
Mm-hmm.
blockers or any issues, we can
Okay.
discuss with the Scrum Master or
Okay.
with the team.
Okay. So, can you please tell me what are the roles we have in a agile model?
In Agile model, we mostly have a Scrum Master,
Mm-hmm.
a Product Owner, and Development team. These are the three
Okay.
main roles.
Okay. So, I have one question, Supriya. Suppose if you are doing manual testing and if you are raising a bug, okay, and those bug is not accepted by the developer, then in such a cases, what you have to do? What actionable item you have to do?
First, we'll reach out to the testing manager or test manager.
Mm-hmm.
If still this test manager and developer is one side and tester is one side or developer is one side, then we'll go to the we have any documentation like wiki and all for related the new requirements and all the user guide we can see here, or else we can connect with the
Mm-hmm.
be ahead to the
Okay. 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 Okay, great. Okay, but still they are not accepting this is a bug we have. Then what you have to do? Okay, your testing manager, developer manager, BU head, these people are not accepting the bug. Like they are not agreed like this is a bug. Then what you have to do? What will be the actionable item for you?
then we go to the PO.
Okay, good. Yes. Okay, all right. So can you please tell me the difference between severity and priority?
Yes, sir. Severity means severity is defined according to the if impact of bug or issue on the application. According to that, we declare a severity, and
Mm-hmm,
priority is the in which order developer fix that defect. It is called as priority, we can say. Uh,
mm-hmm,
and mostly priority is declared or defined by the developer, and severity is mostly defined by the tester. There
mm-hmm,
are four types of severity. It is a critical, high, medium, and low, and priority also is a high, medium, and low.
mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Okay, I think I'm pretty much done from my side, Supriya. Okay, HR will get back to you on your interview. Okay, thanks for attending the interview. Do you have any questions to me?
Uh, no, sir. Just one question.